Sets is a new topic. We are going to deal these sets in an advanced level. So here generally in our daily life we will come across with different or the particular names for some special type of collections, such as bunch of keys or else pack of cards, such as the collection, which is nothing but the collection. As per the set language, or in other words the mathematical language, everything in our universe, either it may be the living thing or the non-living one, is said to be an object. Then such a collection of objects is said to be called a set. Hence it is clear that a collection of well-defined objects in the universe is called a set. Then now, say here generally in our daily life we come across with different and as well as particular names for special things or for some special type of collections. So for instance, that is for example, say bunch of keys, it is nothing but a collection. It is a collection of the objects. So here the object is indicated as the key or the keys, or in other words, say here pack of cards, it is also a collection. It is here in this case the collection is of the cards, so it is a collection. So such etc. collections will be called as a set. So here as per set language, or in other words called as the mathematical language or the mathematical language, so yeah, everything in the universe either it is the living one, either a living or non-living thing, is said to be an object. So here it is clear that the collection of, so now it is clear that a collection of well-defined objects is called a set. So here for example, I say here for instance, let us conduct one example, that is nothing but the collection of first 7 natural numbers in a set. So here a collection of, we are going to consider one example, a collection of first 7 natural numbers will be called as a set. So, is a set which contains or which consists the elements those were. So, here first 7 natural numbers are of 1 to 7. So, here I am going to write the natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, I have enclosed these 7 natural numbers. These are the first 7 natural numbers within the brackets, and I am going to separate these natural numbers by means of commas. It is one of the method of representing a set that will be called as the roster form. Then now here the collection of first 7 natural numbers is said to be called as a set in which the elements are of, the first element is of 1, the seventh element is of 7. So, in this manner there are of 7 elements in this particular set which consists of the 7 natural numbers, that is first 7 natural numbers. So, here let us go through some standard forms. Of sets. Some standard forms of sets are of number 1, set of natural numbers. So, first one is a set of natural numbers. Say in this first one, that is the set of natural numbers. So, generally these natural numbers begin with that is in the least natural number is of 1, and there are countless natural numbers. So, here generally natural numbers are denoted by the letter called the capital N. So, here generally natural numbers are denoted by the capital letter, say, that is N. Then set of natural numbers, then we have set of natural numbers are denoted by the letter called the N, then set consisting then. Say here set, bracket begin, say natural numbers, the least natural number is of 1, then comes over to the second one as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and dash dash. There are countless, endless natural numbers, there are infinite number of natural numbers. So, here uncountable number of natural numbers in which the least natural number is of 1. Say here all the natural numbers separated by means of commas and enclosing within the brackets. So, now let us go for the second one, that is set of whole numbers. Second one is of set of whole numbers. Generally the whole numbers are denoted by the symbol called W, and in which the least whole number will be of 0. So, here generally whole numbers are denoted by the capital letter say W, in which the least whole number. So, here the least whole number is of is 0. Therefore, the whole numbers are denoted by the symbol called, by the letter called W, in which the elements present in the list of whole numbers are of. So, here begins with 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and dash dash. So, these are the elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dash dash are the elements which are present in the whole number set. Then comes over to the next one, that is third one, set of integers. So, here generally integers are denoted by the letters called, capital letters called I or Z. So, here generally integers are denoted by capital letters, say I or Z. So, here then we have either I or Z, that is the integers, say in this set particularly. So, here the elements are of 0 and over to the right side. So, we will be getting the positive integers, that is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and so on. And whereas to the left side of this 0, there are of the elements minus 1, minus 2, negative integers as minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and as well as so on. Whereas, say here these are called the positive integers, that is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and so on are the positive integers, whereas these integers which are negative, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 are nothing but the negative integers. Whereas this 0 is neither negative nor positive. It is neither negative nor positive. Then now comes over to the next set, that is set of primes, that is prime numbers, that is the fourth one, set of prime numbers. So, here in this set of prime numbers, so generally prime numbers are denoted by the capital letters say P. So, here generally primes, that is prime numbers, are denoted by the capital letter say P. So, now the least prime number is of, so here in this case the least prime is of 2, which is an even prime. So, here it will be called as an even. So, here even prime number. Now, the set is denoted by means of P, whose values are of, so whose elements are of 2, 3. So, here it is a prime because its factors are of 1 and itself. So, here 2 can be written as 2 into 1. So, here 2 is a factor of 2 and 1 is a factor of 2, none other. So, here 3 is a factor of 3, that is itself, and as well as 1 is a factor of 3. There are none other factors. So, here a prime is a number which has itself and as well as a 1 as a factor, but none other factors. So, here 2, 3, 5, 7 and dash dash. So, these are the elements of the set of primes.